In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up Livestorm for webinars with pre-recorded videos. Whether you're new to Livestorm or just looking to streamline your webinar process, you'll find exactly what you need here. Livestorm is a powerful platform that makes hosting webinars with pre-recorded videos super easy. With its user-friendly interface, you can automate your webinars, saving you time while delivering great content to your audience. First, let's jump straight into setting up a webinar in Livestorm. After logging in, click on Create a Webinar. This will take you to a page where you'll configure all the details for your session. Here, you can customize the webinar's name, date and time, and decide if it will be a live or pre-recorded event. For pre-recorded webinars, select On Demand as your event type. This option allows you to upload and schedule a pre-recorded video to play for your attendees at a later time. Once you've selected On Demand, you'll be asked to upload your video. Livestorm supports multiple video formats, so you won't have to worry about file types. Just make sure your video is high quality and ready to go. You can also add any additional materials like slides or resources that you want your attendees to access during the webinar. Next, you'll need to configure the registration page. This is where you'll capture attendee information. You can ask for their name, email, and other details that are important to you. Livestorm lets you customize this page to align with your branding, so it looks professional and integrates seamlessly with your marketing efforts. The next step is creating automated emails for your attendees. Livestorm offers email reminders and confirmations to make sure your audience doesn't miss your pre-recorded webinar. These emails are highly customizable, and you can send them out in advance, so your attendees know exactly when to tune in. One of the best features of Livestorm is its analytics. Once your pre-recorded webinar is live, you can track attendee engagement, how long they stayed, and even what parts of your video they interacted with the most. This gives you the insights you need to refine your content for future webinars. As you continue, you can also engage your audience through the chat feature. Even with a pre-recorded video, you can have team members interact with your audience in real time. This feature is ideal for answering questions or encouraging interaction, creating a more immersive experience. Now, let's talk about customization. Livestorm allows you to add your branding to the entire webinar experience, from the registration page to the webinar room. You can add logos, colors, and even set up your own custom domain for a seamless branded experience. Another tip is to use Livestorm's integrations to maximize your marketing efforts. Whether you're connecting with your CRM or running email campaigns, Livestorm has numerous integrations that will help you manage and scale your webinars. Finally, before you launch your pre-recorded webinar, make sure to test everything. Ensure the video plays smoothly, emails are sent correctly, and that all your integrations are set up. A test run will give you peace of mind, knowing your audience will have a seamless experience. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to set up Livestorm for webinars with pre-recorded videos. It's simple and straightforward, and with these steps, you'll be ready to host your own high-quality webinar in no time. Before you go, I've got a special offer for you. You can use Livestorm completely free with an exclusive extended trial through the first link below. Make sure to take advantage of this offer and get started with Livestorm today.